Hey guys, Putnam Brew here. Welcome to another brew day. Second official video with a new stand mash tun. So we're heating up our strike water right now. We're gonna make Brewlosophies by Ray Found MACC IPA. I'm pretty excited. The recipe looks delicious. Let's mash in.
I feel okay. Late nights, bright lights, wanna see the city tonight. Maybe I'll do it twice. Maybe I'll say fuck it tonight. Yeah, that's right. Little devil never wants to keep it on the level. Don't care if I'm going to hell, no. I'm gonna do the little devil's deeds.
Starting the 60-minute mash. I really like the idea of the tubing for the recirculation. Instead of having something spray over it, I can actually check on the mash, make sure everything is looking good. I'll post my exact recipe down below in the description, so keep an eye out for that. We hit our pre-boil gravity of 1057. Pretty stoked. System did a great first run so far with the new mash tun. So I just added in our first wort hops of a 1/4 ounce of Magnum, and I'll see you back when we're at the boil. All right. Okay, so we are just past the hop break. Now this is, besides the 1/4 ounce of Magnum at the first wort hopping, there's no other hops in the boil. We're going to do a whirlpool, 7 ounces total, split between Mosaic, Amarillo, Cascade, and Centennial. So, see you guys there. We're going to probably chill it down to 170 degrees, do a whirlpool there, let them steep for about, let's say about 30 minutes or so. So I'll see you guys when we're ready to do that. And now we are chilling. Thank God for this wood chiller because it's awesome. I don't know how we ever did it with a regular immersion. One pass, all those hops. It smells amazing in here. We're getting right down to 67. It was getting a little bit too cold. It was starting to get around 50, so I slowed down the flow. Or I should say I should up the flow. So it wasn't too cold, but. Then we're using YE's 1318 London Ale 3. Should make this really nice and juicy, I hope. So we shall see. Pretty excited. Stay tuned for the tasting video.